Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back. Here I will Prosedural tutorial how to replace motorcycle spray plug. Please have a look friends. First you need to do by repairing the tools from the screwdriver. When spray plug drain and let's start the spray plug removal process. All you need to do is first remove the spray plug cover after we open spray plug cover. The next step is to remove spray plug in the engine block using a spray plug key. If so, look at the spray plug test is still good or hot burn. If the spray plug head is on fire, you must immediately replace a new spray plug. And I have prepared a new spray plug. After everything is ordered, do not forget to crank the motorcycle 10 times. The aim to its proper spec on the new spec plug, but keep when the crank of the motorcycle is off. Okay guys, see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.